Axing pandemic measures in Germany. The federal and state governments of Germany met on Wednesday and prepared the groundwork for an even more deadly spread of the COVID-19 epidemic. People in charge of traffic lights and state ministers have agreed to scrap all other measures, except for requiring people to wear masks in certain public places, at the top of the Omicron wave. The agreement says that all major protective measures must be withdrawn by March 20, 2022, the formal start of spring. A recent negative test is required for those working in businesses who are not vaccinated, or who have just recovered from an illness. Private contact restrictions for those who have had the MMR vaccine and are otherwise healthy will be abolished on Friday. There will be an end to the so-called 2G regulation, which restricts access to many shops to persons who have been vaccinated or have just recovered, and the obligation to wear an FFP2, N95, mask has been eliminated. People with a recent negative test, those who are vaccinated, or those who have recently recovered will be able to enter restaurants and hotels with less restrictions starting on March 4, 2022. If a visitor has a same-day or booster vaccine, they will be able to enter the club or disco. There will be an adjustment to maximum capacity restrictions for important national events, including football matches, when there is a need for a recent negative test in addition to a vaccination or recovery certificate. 6,000 people will be permitted inside, and 25,000 outside. The latest federal state meeting was preceded by a regressive, anti-scientific campaign. So-called recovered status was removed from the Robert Koch Institute, RKI, Germany's infectious disease agency, by Federal Minister of Health Karl Lauterbach, Social Democrats SPD. A person's recovered status refers to the time period during which they are deemed immune to the infection. Federal scientific institutions should no longer be responsible for determining the status of vaccinated and recovered persons, he said.